It's Lay.
And Trey.
And so, I know we haven't posted in a while, but we're sorry. We're going to try to post more. And today we're going to be making a slime tutorial. Fluffy slime tutorial.
You look at that fluffy
So
slime.
first you're going to need glue,
Chicken nuggets too.
a bowl,
And some more chicken nuggets in the
a
bowl.
spoon,
And a good old chicken nugget spoon.
soap,
The soap you're supposed to put on your chicken nuggets.
baby powder,
You're supposed to put that on your funnel cake.
lotion to make it more stretchier.
You're supposed to put that on your
That's
ashy chicken.
optional. And shaving or foam cream.
I need some of that cream right quick.
And so we already added the glue and powder. And then you
Get your ass out there, put that back.
the
Put it back.
Baby.
Do not get no more.
The baby.
Boy, get your ass out.
Yeah, chicken
Out
nuggets.
this kitchen.
Chicken.
add it.
Ew, that's gross, kids. You hear that?
It's not coming out that good.
I know. Ooh. It looks like shaving. You can eat the icing. You want to eat that?
That's nasty. No, that's nasty. Look, it looks like a mountain.
Yeah, I get a lot of slime. And you can give me a lot of it too. Me too. No.
Merge, you don't need it anymore.
You give me a lot of that slime.
Get off the table, Merge.
I'm not on the table. Yeah, spread that break.
So show them how I'm mixing it. Yeah, so you gotta mix it really good. Okay, try.
Hey, kids. Ah. Okay.
Yeah, the first time I made slime, it was super good.
Hi.
For my first time.
Hi, kids.
Okay, so you
It's
mix.
the lady club.
Okay. Then you add. Then you add the soap.
Ew, that's
Well, we should make a rainbow one.
Rainbow one sucks.
Yes, we will add all the colors.
Oh.
We add
Yeah, at the end I'll show all my slime.
We
And then
add.
we're gonna mix all
Yeah.
the slime together.
Look at your shirt.
Sorry, cuz.
Except for
Be
this,
quiet.
except for this slime, we gonna add all the colors in that giant. And see
Not
what else.
this slime.
Yeah,
That's not gonna make rainbow slime. That's gonna make it black.
Let's make it black.
That doesn't make rainbow slime. How to make rainbow slime is that you add the colors together and then you mix it.
Well, we not making rainbow slime. We just gonna add all these colors to it.
Yeah.
Cause that is savage. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Let's just make it black.
Then you add the baby powder.
Baby
Then we put.
Baby paddles. Let's go to baby paddles.
Gotta get that baby powder for the ashy legs.
And
For the
then
That's
ashy
right,
legs.
babe.
Sorry, you need this for your lips. Cause your lips are so ashy. My lips stay wet. Ew, like some booty and all that stuff. Ew. Come on, Bean. Come on.
And then you mix.
Come on, Bean.
Ew, it
Then you
feel like
mix that together.
kids, it feel like some booty.
Come over here. Come over here, Bean. Come on.
And then we got these guys.
Merge, stop.
Okay.
My brother's
No.
No, I'm not.
Bad boy.
I get some drink.
Let's say hey.
So, hey, B.
Put your shirt on, boy. Where your shirt at, Bean? You gotta go get that shirt, Bean.
After that, you mix it well. And then you add the
look at
food
me.
color. And we're going to do green.
That greeny green. Go ask Merce, go get your shirt.
Look.
It'll like some booty juice.
I don't want no booty juice.
I don't want no booty juice, slime. Where did you put all the stuff in there?
Nope.
Yeah.
You made slime.
It's not done yet.
What you gotta do to it? And you better add more green. That's not enough.
I just playing around, kids.
Move, Merce.
Take it.
Don't let him get it.
He's not doing nothing.
Hey, kid, who you think was this kid? I was the kid hiding on me.
Shut up, Mars. Move.
Move.
No, babe. No.
Okay,
Beat. Bitch. Beat.
and see you in the next song. Peace out.
Alright, Trey, go get on some,
Water.
no, some laundry detergent.
Trace
Let me do it. Don't let him get to
His
this
eyes look
one.
like. His
Let me hold it.
I mean, you got the way rolling.
What's beat right here?
Hi guys, we got the.
Binky just want to get it.
Ooh, can I feel it?
Move.
Can I feel it?
It's not even slime yet.
Hey, we got the game of the kingdom.
Okay, so
Put some blue in it.
You on my channel. I mean, you on my
Boomers! He's being annoying.
So you like an older.
Alright, so this is
It
what
would.
it looks like.
It like butt right now.
Buddy cheeks, so.
That pink.
And then you gotta add your laundry detergent or borax.
You want to get down?
Either one.
Yeah.
And you add little by little.
Little by little.
Little by little.
Ew.
Ew, like a booty.
Look at I have that.
No.
That's supposed to make slime. Hit me.
See? Got on my hand.
Egg merge.
What? Let's try. Get on my shirt. Get on my shirt.
Add more.
You want short?
Just add the whole cup.
No, you gotta add little by little or it's not gonna work. So I'll give you a paper towel.
How many?
Do you want it to work?
How many? Yeah. How many?
One piece.
Yo, after this video, I'm finna hop on some 2 Kai.
Ain't no paper towel.
Alright, for now, it looks like this.
Ain't no paper towel. I'm giving you a napkin.
Okay. So now So now I'm a pause it.
What do you want?
So this is what it looked like when I mixed it. And I mixed it all together. So that's how you make fluffy slime.
What about flip?
And that's the tutorial. So thanks for watching. Actually, you can stop it.
Nah. What about flip? Hey! Number 1.
No.
Hey.